Hello again, welcome back. Now, let's see how to add your UGC videos to Kudobuzz and how you can display them on your website. From your Kudobuzz dashboard, click on Manage Videos. Then, all you need to do is to choose where you want to fetch from, either TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. They are pretty much the same way. So I select TikTok. Now, you need to select the method you would like to import the videos. So either using your username or you can import from a video URL. So I'll be selecting Import from Video URL. Now I head over to TikTok to copy the video link, head back to my Kudobuzz dashboard and paste the link. Great. Now all I need to do is to check the box to confirm that I have permission to use the video. Finally, select Find Videos. Awesome. As you can see, the video is now added to my Kudobuzz dashboard. Now, all you need to do is to approve the video so that it can be displayed on your website. So I select Approve. Now, you can decide which widget you would want the video to display on. So over here, you can decide to choose the carousel widget or the test widget. So all I need to do is to click on Approve because I would want my video to be displayed on both widgets. So I select Approve. Awesome. Now, to tag a video to a product on your website, all you need to do is to click on Tag Product. Now, search for the product you would like to tag. So I select Gift Card. Great. So all I need to do is to click on Done. Awesome. Now, let's head over to my website to ensure that the widgets and of course the videos are displaying. So this is my website. All I need to do is to refresh my website. Great. Now let's scroll down to ensure that the video is displaying. Now, as you can see, the video is displaying on my website on my homepage. Now let's ensure that the video is also showing on the collection pages. So I select Catalog. I scroll down again. As you can see, the widget is displaying here as well. And also, it is tagged with the products that I selected from my Kudobuzz dashboard.